Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Yasir and you're watching my channel Sadi Fabricators. In this video, I will show you new metal art ideas for welders. You can do it for yourself. It is easy and awesome. It is the way of learning you. Metal art, learning fun. If you want to learn something new from it, please subscribe my channel. I will do my best. God bless you and your family. Love is the key that opens the door of happiness. Awesome and creative ideas. Heavy and cold drink ideas. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. God bless you and your family. Allah Hafiz. Take care.